Hello everyone and welcome to the Barbecue Walk of Flame. Now when it comes to food pairings, beef and blue cheese are a perfect partnership. A marriage made in heaven. And here's my take celebrating an awesome combination. These burgers are incredibly flavourful. Smashing them on the griddle gives a thinner patty, which is crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. And they're sure to be a regular on my Weber Q this summer. To make these delicious beauties, you're going to need 8 ounces of rump steak. Now, if you've never had burgers made from rump steak, I can tell you the flavour is awesome. You're also going to need an onion, together with about a half a cup of blue cheese crumbled, and 4 flatbreads. No burger buns. I'm going all out for flavour. I've already cubed the steak and removed any sinew. It's important to keep all of the fat at this stage. If you want to see the preparation in detail, have a look at my video, Hamburgers Homemade. So it's over to the kitchen and let's get started. I'm blitzing the beef together with the onion in my Magimix food processor. A few pulses is all that's required. Divide the mixture into 4 equal portions, rolling each one into a ball. Cover with cling film and place in the fridge for at least a couple of hours to firm up. Don't forget to take them out a half an hour before cooking to allow them to come up to room temperature. Outside, the Q is fired up and really hot. Applewood pellets are smoking nicely. Place a burger on the griddle and smash it down with a spatula and the top part of my burger press. And do the same with burger number 2. You may have noticed I used a piece of parchment paper underneath my spatula when I smashed the burgers. This stops the burger sticking to the spatula. Many thanks, Jerry, for a very useful tip. I'm seasoning with pepper only, as my blue cheese is quite salty. Give them a flip. Just look at that caramelisation. It's crispy. Sprinkle the blue cheese on top of each burger. Close the lid and cook for an additional few seconds, melting the cheese. I'll just scrape the burnt cheese from the griddle. We're almost done, so it's time to toast the flatbreads. They only need 30 seconds per side. Press a toasted flatbread into the cheese. Remove from the griddle. I was going to do 2 burgers. I've changed my mind. Let's make it a stack. And that's how I make blue cheese smash burgers. To my mind, they do not need any more condiments or dressing. I want the full flavour of the beef and blue cheese. Now, here's the recipe recap. there is my blue cheese smash burger. And that was an adventure in your mouth. I do hope that you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'd love to hear from you. So give that button a click, activate and ding the bell, and be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Much of the gear you have seen in this video I have reviewed on my other YouTube channel, Willie Film It. If you'd like to see more of my work, then check out this channel. Well, that's all for this time, so until the next time, it's goodbye from me and thanks for watching.